Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McFarland House of Cars, we have their 2019 Alpina B7. I've always loved these cars because I've always thought it was really cool that we got one of the German tuning houses in the States. Very hard to come by. These cars are not common at all. But obviously you take the BMW 7 Series and you add some little tweaks to it. 4.4 liter twin turbo V8 pushing out 591 horsepower. And this thing is a little rocket ship. I wouldn't call it an M7. I'd kind of call it a 7 Series that's been tweaked, revised, and just provides a really nice experience. Bowers & Wilkins sound, really nice stadium seating here, but you can adjust these seats any way that you see fit, which is pretty darn cool. Tons of room back here. These are massaging. Do have little vanity mirrors, suede seats, of course, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, that's a little pass through. And this is just a little tablet that you can use to change some of your settings. So let's see here. Lumbar exercise, whole body activation. How does that? Oh no, I want to be adjusting that. There we go. Pretty darn cool. Alright, we'll go ahead, pop that back into place, power it down. I do like this. That's even a little ambient light. That is pretty darn cool. Couple different drive modes. You have Sport, Sport Plus, Sport Individual, Comfort, Eco Pro. With the Alpina, you're going to have some green accents throughout. Put it into Sport. Do have rear wheel steer, which definitely helps. Wow. Man, this thing is just a little rocket ship. It is just something this huge shouldn't move the way it does. Do have paddle shifters, but they're a little unique. So it's just small little circles behind the wheel. And that's what is gonna be your paddle shifter. And then of course you have manual shifting capabilities on the actual gear selector itself. Bowers & Wilkins sound system is phenomenal. Just this whole package is absolutely amazing. This is, oh, I would drive the ever-living daylights out of this thing. I've always wanted to drive one of these, and I'm so glad I finally got the chance. Oh, this is a good massager. Oh, okay, I'm a fan. Like I said, this isn't an M7. It really was never designed to be. This is kind of a little bit of tweaked. It's a quick car, but it's really focused on luxury and amenities and stuff like that. And it's kind of mind-blowing how luxurious this car is. And I do believe this is a little over $70,000 USD, obviously. So not for what you're getting. Only 23,000 miles. That's a really, really, really big bargain. Hey, did you get some burbles? Sport Plus. It's just frankly absurd. I don't get it. This is definitely the ZF 8-speed. My question is, I've driven a Rolls-Royce and I get it, but should you spend $400,000 more on a Rolls-Royce when you can get one of these? I don't really think so. I'm not saying anybody who does is an idiot, but I'm saying you have too much money. And please give me some. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.